How can a snake swallow prey larger than its own head? Unlike humans, a snake's jaw isn't fused. Flexible ligaments and movable bones allow it to stretch. Even with small prey, like a mouse, the snake doesn't chew. It slowly pulls the animal in, inch by inch. With larger prey, such as deer, the process looks almost unbelievable. But the snake's jaw adapts and its body muscles do the work. Powerful waves of muscles push the prey deeper inside,
slowly
guiding
pushing
it through the
prey
body.
deeper into the digestive tract.
The snake rests, sometimes for weeks, as its body slowly breaks down the prey.